Please don't rely on social media, to fuel your emotional void that you want. You want a bit of feeling down. Oh, brothers, I've got all the problems. Somebody says, oh, cheer up, brother, you're the man. And you're like, oh, I'm feeling better now. What's going on? What's happening to us? We need to speak to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If we really are going through issues, wake up for tahajjud, where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala descends in a manner befitting His majesty, and He asks, who is up so I can answer his du'as or her du'as? Who is up? But we're snoring because we went to sleep at 1 o'clock because we're on Facebook, telling everybody, oh, and looking for sympathy and support. Don't worry, brother, it'll be fine. Sister, don't worry about it, it'll be fine. You'll be great. Allah is saying, talk to me. وَقَالَ رَبُّكُمُ ادْعُونِي أَسْتَجِبْ لَكُمْ. Your Lord is saying, call upon me and I will answer your du'as. وَإِذَا سَأَلَكَ عِبَادِي أَنِّي فَإِنِّي قَرِيبٌ. When people said, where is Allah? Allah said, I am close to you than your jugular vein with my knowledge. I know what's going on in your life. Ask me, turn to me, I will sort your affairs out. We turn to social media. I've had this, life is difficult, this, that. We want that support. That's the wrong way to go about it. You have to ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Wallahi, I sometimes wonder. Let's start with the mothers first, because, in Syria, they saw atrocities. They saw gruesome, despicable acts. But they had nobody to emotionally feed that void on Facebook. When they had to bury their kids, when 6 or 7 of them died because their houses were bombed, they didn't post up and say, don't worry about it, don't worry, life goes on. They had to go home to an empty house. No Wi-Fi, no internet. But they had Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And we need recognition. It's been this long since he's died, this long between she's died, this long between this operation. We don't need that. We need to turn to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And wallahi, this is what happens. We look for recognition in the creation and we don't look for recognition in the Creator. The Creator's doors are always open because the creation will get fed up. I tell you this, they'll get fed up. They'll say, don't worry brother, it'll be fine. Don't worry. But then later on, it'll go down. His interaction will go down because he wanted interaction to fill that emotional void. And then it will breed more insecurity. If you are sincere and you are going through trials like we all are, turn to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and He will inshallah make your problems better.